Welcome to Wonder Garden. Today, I'll share a great tip for caring for orchids after their flowers have faded. The method I'm about to share is particularly effective in helping wilted or weakened orchids recover quickly. As you can see, many people buy Phalaenopsis orchids to enjoy during their blooming period, but when the flowers fade, they don't know how to care for them properly. As a result, the plant starts to rot, weakens, and eventually dies in large numbers, getting discarded like this. This orchid faced the same fate, abandoned like the others. If you have Phalaenopsis orchids like this, don't throw them away. I'm taking this plant home with a hope that I can revive it, help it become healthy again, and continue blooming for many more seasons. First, to revive this orchid, I'll remove all the old potting medium to thoroughly check the condition of the root system. Moss is an excellent moisture-retaining material, and when used in industrial settings, where watering is carefully controlled, it works very well. However, when orchids are brought home, many people overlook adjusting the watering amount appropriately. This is one of the common reasons orchids become waterlogged, roots rot, and the plant quickly weakens. If you're interested and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me. It's wonderful to have you join me on this orchid care journey. Thank you so much for watching and sharing this passion with me. Next, I'll proceed to cut off all damaged, mushy, or discolored roots to prevent the spread of harmful fungi and bacteria. Removing damaged roots not only cleans the plant, but also creates airy conditions for new, healthy roots to grow more easily. This is a crucial step, because it helps the orchid recover quickly and absorb nutrients more effectively from the new medium, promoting overall plant development. Cut off the wilted flower stems. Removing faded flowers prevents the plant from wasting energy maintaining lifeless stems, allowing it to focus all nutrients and energy on developing new roots and leaves. Next, I'll gently rinse the entire orchid with water. This step removes dust, fungal spores, bacteria, and any debris lingering on the stem, leaves, and roots, factors that could harm or hinder the recovery process. Let the orchid rest and dry before moving to the next recovery step. To make the fertilizer for reviving the orchid today, I'll use a fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera is not only nutrient-rich, but also contains compounds with antibacterial properties, promotes tissue regeneration, and helps roots recover quickly. This is a highly effective natural ingredient for caring for weak orchids or those that have just finished blooming. Chop it finely and put it all into a blender. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. I'll add about 300 milliliters of water and blend the aloe vera leaf thoroughly to create a natural fertilizer solution. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After blending, I'll strain the solution through a sieve to remove all coarse fibers, keeping only the smooth aloe gel dissolved in water. Add 700 milliliters of water to make a total of 1 liter of solution. This is the liquid nutrient that helps the orchid absorb easily and recover quickly. Next, I'll add 3 vitamin B1 tablets. When combined with the aloe vera solution, this mixture enhances the orchid's recovery, stimulating new root growth, quickly restoring leaves, and increasing resilience during its weakened phase. I'll use a soft cloth soaked in the aloe vera and vitamin B1 solution to wipe the entire orchid, from the stem to the top and underside of the leaves. This removes dust while allowing nutrients to penetrate directly through the leaves, aiding faster recovery and boosting resistance to fungal diseases. Clean, healthy leaves photosynthesize better, supporting the plant's recovery and growth. After wiping the leaves, I'll soak the orchid in the aloe vera and vitamin B1 mixture for about 20 minutes. This soaking allows the roots to absorb maximum nutrients from the solution, particularly the aloe gel and vitamin B1, 2 components that stimulate new root development and repair damaged cells. Next, we need to prepare a new potting medium before repotting the orchid. I use pine bark because it has high aeration, allowing roots to breathe easily while retaining moisture well, creating ideal conditions for orchid growth. Before using, I'll pour boiling water directly onto the pine bark and soak it for a while. This sterilizes it, eliminating bacteria, fungi, and harmful impurities in the medium. It also softens the pine bark, helping it retain moisture better, supporting the orchid's robust and stable growth after repotting. If you're a busy person with little time to care for plants, today I'll show you an effective planting method that requires minimal maintenance while still allowing the plant to thrive. To do this, I'll repurpose a discarded plastic bottle. To make the pot more attractive, I'll draw a few curved lines. Then, I'll use a soldering iron to cut along these lines. I'll poke holes in the bottle's neck for drainage and to ensure aeration for the plant. After the plant has soaked for enough time, remove it. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently wipe it, ensuring you don't damage the leaves or other parts of the plant. This prevents waterlogging and mold growth while helping the plant dry and ready to continue growing. Once the potting medium has completely cooled, we can proceed to repot the orchid into the new pot, ensuring the medium's temperature won't harm the roots. Gently place the orchid in the pot. Covering the roots with pine bark to stabilize the plant and prevent it from becoming loose, ensuring the roots are evenly covered, but not too tightly packed. Then, place the orchid pot in a cool, airy spot for 3 days and avoid watering to allow the plant to adapt to the new environment and recover after repotting. From now on, I'll care for this orchid with the liquid fertilizer made from aloe vera and vitamin B1, using it once a week or every 2 weeks, depending on the plant's condition. This solution helps the orchid absorb nutrients more effectively, especially during the recovery and new root development phase. Each time I care for it, I'll gently wipe the leaves with the solution to remove dust and debris, keeping the leaves clean, enhancing photosynthesis, and promoting metabolism. Finally, I'll soak the entire pot in this mixture for about 20 minutes to allow the roots time to contact and absorb maximum nutrients. After soaking, I'll remove the peat and replace all the water at the bottom with clean water. This planting method is perfect for people with little time or those who often forget to water their plants. When you don't have much time to care for the plant, the water in the base will evaporate and provide moisture, maintaining humidity without requiring frequent watering. What do you think of this planting tip? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's look at the results after 3 months of reviving this wilted orchid. You can see the orchid has become healthy again, with a robust root system spreading out, white, bright, and plump. The leaves are also greener and glossier, showing that the plant has gradually recovered and is absorbing water and nutrients well from the new medium. Excitingly, besides reviving the old wilted leaves, the plant has grown new leaves, a clear sign that the orchid is adapting well to the new environment and entering a positive growth cycle. When the water under the pot becomes cloudy or smells off, replace it with fresh water, preferably boiled and cooled or filtered water. When the orchid has a healthy root system, water and nutrient absorption become much more efficient, helping the entire plant recover and resume growth. New, healthy, plump white roots spreading throughout the pot are a solid foundation for the plant's survival. With a robust root system, the plant will continue producing more leaves and prepare for the next blooming cycle, a successful revival journey from an orchid once discarded. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to not miss any orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.